I was gonna do. I'll bump it up. Bump it up.
Can we do
This is the race.
let's work out some choreo if we can.
Maybe. Feels good, doesn't it? Excuse me, miss. Can I have a word with you for a second?
I know you're here all by yourself. You got that something and you hide it well. Keep playing guess and do your kiss and tell. I don't know.
Choreo.
I don't know. Then I don't know where she took 1 shot, 2 shots. You were a party child. 3 shots, 4 shots. We were getting wild. Can't stop, won't stop. And we just had to leave. Come on and get sexy for me. You know what I want. Don't be shy in front of me. Come take it off. Need a little intimacy, so let's get it on. I know you are a good girl, I see. Gotta be a bad one for me. 'Cause you're mine, right kind of wrong. 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 Look at you, what you need. 'Cause you're mine, right kind of wrong. Oh my, let's get it on. Don't worry, I don't want to shame. 'Cause it is what it is, if it ain't, then still okay, baby. And girl, it's cool if you don't feel the same. All I know is that it started with that 1 shot, 2 shots. You were a party child. 3 shots, 4 shots, and we were getting wild. Can't stop, won't stop. Baby, just not leave. Baby, come on and get sexy for me. You know what I want. Don't be shy in front of me. We're gonna take it off. Need a little intimacy, so let's get it on. I know you look a good, I see. Come be a bad one for me. 'Cause you're mine, right kind of wrong. 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 Look at you, what you need. 'Cause you're mine, right kind of wrong. Oh my, let's get it on.
She seems so innocent, I couldn't believe Miss Prim proper pulled my sleeve. And she ain't moving too fast, she's taking her time. But it's my turn to leave her pleasantly surprised. No room service allowed, ignore the sex sounds. Do not disturb what's going down. Oh, can we please meet again? I got a permanent good here, my right kind of wrong. You win.
Come on and get sexy for me. You know what I want.
You know what I want.
Don't be shy in front of me. Come take it off.
Come take it off.
Need a little intimacy, so let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
I know you a good girl, I see.